Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Quick Tips. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens from Kraken to Bitmart in 2025, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and safely, so you can manage your crypto with ease. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Kraken and Bitmart, and that you have some Matic in your Kraken wallet. Always double-check for any updates to exchange policies in 2025. Things like fees or verification might have changed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Wallets or Assets section and select Matic. From there, click on the Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. You'll see a form to enter withdrawal details. Carefully input the withdrawal amount. Don't forget to check the minimum limits, which could be around 0.1 Matic depending on current rules. Step 3. Now, you need the receiving address from Bitmart. Log into your Bitmart account, go to the Deposit section, select Matic, and copy the wallet address provided. Paste this into the Kraken withdrawal form. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to blockchain improvements. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, then confirm the withdrawal. Step 5. Sit back and wait. Transactions on the Polygon network are usually fast, taking just a few minutes, but it could be up to an hour during peak times. Once it's processed, head back to Bitmart and check your wallet balance to confirm the deposit. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant against scams and use secure devices. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support on either platform. That's it for today. I hope this guide helps you navigate your crypto journey smoothly. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.